Welcome everybody. Welcome to HExcelprop Marketing Services Private Limited. So this is Century Trails. In this video, we will be looking at the actual distance from Century Trails to the STRR main road. There are two routes to reach out. One via this right hand side of the project, another left hand side of the property. So we'll be taking this left hand side because this road will connect us to STRR, and the right hand side will connect us to Bidlur village and then STRR. So since this road, we have a lot of other properties like Shobha, we also have Godrej, we have DNR, we have Seasons by Century again. Then we have a project by Brigade, Godrej Reserve. All these projects are already there. And now Arvind. Arvind is very far, just far in the sense like about 2 kilometers from Century Seasons, further towards the first flyover service road. Well, now we have started. We are heading towards the project, towards the STRR main road. Left and right hand side of the this road, you can look out. So these lands are empty lands. Most probably in coming future, we might also see other properties will be coming here, mostly the plotted development. That will wait and watch. But before that, you have to look at the roads, right? Right. So 2 months ago, this road was not proper. It was Kacha road. So this road developed by Century Group with proper tar road. There is not even a small hole you will see on the road, right? Because it's a new road. Just 3-4 weeks ago, they have done this road. The phase 1 is sold out. Phase 2 is open for sale. If you are interested in phase 2, you may reach us. This is the circle. If I take a right, this will connect me to Shobha Chartered Woodpecker. But I'll be taking left because left will connect me to the STRR highway, STRR main road. All right. So that is where I was showing you the Shobha project. So this is the road. So on this road, the full road was not got developed by Century Group. So there were few patches. They have just covered it, but it's rare. Yes, whatever they have done it, the road is proper now. So almost this road is gonna become 30 feet road in coming months, right? Well, as I was telling, left and right hand side of this road, you will see a lot of empty lands. There are no agriculture work which is going on. Only few lands agriculture work is going on. So most probably in coming future, you will see the plotted development even on these land parcels. So the building, the water tank type which you are looking out, that belongs to Godrej Reserve. So we are very close to the Godrej boundary. 100-acre project, the first plotted development by Godrej in Bangalore. So this is the boundary for Godrej Reserve. So this is another way where you may reach out to the Godrej project, but there is no gate from behind. So they have the actual main gate from the STRR service road only. So you can look out the left hand side, the new road which was done by Century Group. There you can look out the clubhouse. That's the clubhouse of Godrej Reserve and the small house. So there is some agriculture work is going on left hand side of the highway. As I was telling everybody, Century, this is the new project, got launched in the month of December, and phase 1 they have sold out. Phase 2 is open for sale, 25-acre development with a closer to the lake with all amenities. Lake will be maintained by developer itself. We'll be waiting for your call. Don't miss out on opportunity. This is the right time and the right place to invest. Yes, I agree. This is 1.5, 1.7 kilometers inside from the main road. The prices are attractive, right? So people who have already seen this area with other property projects, so you guys are aware what is the price which is going on neighborhood. So this project all inclusive 5,300 to 5,500 approximate, right? So prices are subject to change along with the availability. So right now we are exactly on the STRR main road. This is STRR main road, everybody. You can look out. Hardly took me 3-4 minutes to reach. Well, the video is of 5 minutes because I have to stop and I have to record the video. So that's why it took little time for me. But once if you start from 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler from Century, hardly you will reach within 2 to 3 minutes drive distance from a Century Group. Reaches 30, 40, 40, 60, 30, 50 sites are available for sale. Don't miss your opportunity, and don't forget to subscribe our channel to receive the future updates on the property. Have a nice day. Stay safe.